Do you know? Business owners globally are paying anywhere between $1,250 to $3,650 to platforms like Canva, DALL-E, Midjourney, Deep AI, ChatGPT, and the list goes on for creating engaging visual assets for their business. But even after paying so much, they're not getting the desired results they deserve and are eagerly looking for technology that serves them in a cost-effective manner. So, if you're willing to use artificial intelligence to create countless high-quality visuals, such as 4K HD videos, 4K HD images, cartoon images, AI storytelling images and videos, AI drawing and images, sketch images, logos, graphics, arts, and more that gets 10 times customer attention with no tech skills or a huge investment, then stay tuned to this short but very informative video. But before moving forward, let me share some mind-blowing numbers that highlight the huge worth of using AI-based visual assets. 80% of marketers are using AI visual assets in their marketing efforts. Visual communication accounts for 93% of all marketing activities of Fortune 500 brands. 90% of marketers using short-form video will increase or maintain their investment next year. In Q3 of 2023, over 50% of marketers used visuals in over 91% of their content. Human brains process visual data 60,000 times faster. 80% of digital marketers use graphic design in social media marketing, and 55% of businesses use graphic design for customer communication. Posts and articles with engaging images get 95% higher readership. So, if you are an affiliate marketer, email marketer, product creator, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing area and looking to grab your share from this huge untapped opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Imagine a minute from now, you can get access to an all-in-one AI app that gives you ultimate experience of AI and generates. 4K HD videos, 4K HD images, storytelling images and videos, cartoon videos, logos and graphics and arts, AI drawing and images, sketch images, AI character, AI video, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube script, reconstruct images, image colorization, images and painting, images recognition, image denoising, image synthesis, face retoucher, image filters, image background removal, and more. All from one easy-to-use single dashboard with no monthly fees. Imagine just entering any keywords or prompts within seconds, you will get any kind of images, videos, logos, graphics, and arts, and more. Introducing MagicBeast AI. Never seen before, GPT-4 tech creates stunning AI 4K animated videos, AI cartoon videos, 4K HD images, AI drawing and images, AI sketch images, AI video, storytelling images and videos, AI logos and graphics, and much more in 3 clicks for a low one-time price. And stop wasting money on designers, video editors, or expensive apps. With this in your marketing arsenal, you can smartly create and sell limitless, incredible AI videos and graphics, visuals, arts, etc. to hordes of hungry audiences for any offer and any niche starting today. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, sell and profit. Here's some of its amazing features. First, Universe Technology creates professional AI visual assets that are 10 times powerful than Midjourney, Canva, Deep AI, etc. Create lots of Canva-like 4K HD images for your campaigns in 2 times less time and effort. Advanced, easy-to-use editor to say goodbye to complex editing tools forever. Create Google-friendly, attention-grabbing AI images, graphics, etc. and get 100 times more visibility hands down. Use these mesmerizing graphics to give unmatched customer experience with 0 upfront cost. Create amazing AI Instagram posts and reels in literally no time. Instantly create profitable social media graphics for top platforms without any third-party dependency. Get 100 times audience hooked without wasting time or writing a single word yourself. Never ever waste hours finding premium stock images. MagicBeast AI creates 10 times powerful AI visual assets that convert visitors into happy customers. Smoothly create AI face videos and maximize audience engagement like a pro. Convert any text into attention-grabbing images using AI. Create a high-selling convert breathtaking visuals for hungry audience globally. Stop searching for reliable freelance designers or agencies today. And the best part, Once you have MagicBeast AI, no need to hire expensive designer, no need to hire expensive video editor, no need to hire expensive video creator, no need to hire expensive freelancer, no need to hire expensive sketch artist, no need to hire expensive video animator, no need to pay huge expensive monthly fee. And here's the coolest part. Only for the early action takers, we're offering a limited time commercial license to provide top-notch AI-based visual assets creation services to tons of hungry customers and keep 100% of the profits yourself. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period is over, MagicBeast AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab MagicBeast AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.